A lot of you saw my yoga videos and found it immensely helpful. Thank you so much for writing to me. But you all asked me for some practices that you could do at a physical level. So here it is. This is the video where I begin that. These are some of the most basic stuff that can help you on a daily basis, especially in the lifestyle that we lead today. If you would like to know more, keep watching. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh and you're welcome to JoyGeeks, a channel where I create beauty and wellness videos every week, exploring beauty inside out. Well, when you just wake up or when you've sat for too long by your computer or you've been studying for too long, any of those things, your muscles kind of just get stiff. And even in the morning, you will notice that your muscles are taut, and most of the time, this is where our posture is, whether we're reading a book or if you're on the phone, and there is a constant strain on your muscles. But let's just combat the ill effects of what we're doing to ourselves every day by just doing these simple stretches along with your breath. You kind of open up the energy in your body, and your body slowly kind of wakes up or slowly gets out of that stiff situation, which makes you a lot more comfortable with your own self. So in today's video, I am going to share the most basic hand and neck stretches with you, which are, like a warm-up that will set you going. Trust me on that. You can do this at any point. You don't need to have an empty stomach. You can do it at multiple times in the day. These are extremely relaxing postures that most people can do irrespective of the age or any issue you may have. But still, please check with your doctor to be on the safe side. All these postures ideally should be done in a standing position with 1 foot distance. But if you're in office or you're somewhere where you're traveling or any such, just sit on a regular chair without the armrest. If you do not have a chair without an armrest, try to sit slightly towards the edge of the chair without toppling over, so that you have the freedom to kind of move around. So just keep your shoulders square, your body posture as straight as possible, and let's go. As you inhale, gently allow your head to drop towards your right shoulder. Exhaling, bring it back to the center. Drop it to the left shoulder in the same way without moving the other shoulder. Return back to center. And as you inhale, tilt your head backwards as far as you can without moving your shoulders or the body. Gaze upwards towards the ceiling. While exhaling, bring your head down towards your throat, tucking your chin into the throat cavity. Inhaling, return to the center. Inhaling, turn your head to look far right and behind. Exhaling, return to center. Repeat on the other side. Make sure your movements are gentle and slow, involving the breath. Repeat the same action as you move your head backwards. Bring it to the center and tuck your chin as you tilt your head forward. Inhaling, drop your head to the right and slowly rotate it backwards, bringing it all the way towards your left shoulder. And continue moving your head, again rotating backwards, bringing it back to your right shoulder. Repeat this clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation of your head, following your breath as you inhale half a circle and exhale half a circle. Consciously feel the stretch that your neck feels and all the muscles around it while you make these movements. Join your palm together, stretch it forward at your shoulder level. Inhale when you stretch your arm outwards, feeling that stretch. Exhale as you release and relax. And then repeat again. We do this 3 times. Now we simply open up our palms to face outside and stretch the same way, maintaining the level of your shoulder while you stretch out, and feel that stretch in your upper body, breathing deep in and out with each repetition that you do. Simply turn your palm inside out to just slightly twist it this way, maintaining your arm level at the shoulder. Stretch forward and relax the same way we did it earlier, thrice, feeling the stretch in another section of your arm and shoulder. If at any point breath is confusing, just breathe normally, taking long deep breaths, and you do just fine. This is the position of your arm with respect to your ear. Please keep it in alignment with your ear for the next set of stretches. Joining your palm, stretch your arm upwards, trying to touch the sky, keeping that ear and arm in line with each other. Inhale as you raise your arms up. Exhale as you relax and release. At no point should you be having an extra strain when you do this. Please differentiate between a stretch and pain. Stretch is great for us. Simply turn your palm inside out, making your palm face the sky now. Repeat the same stretch upwards, feeling that stretch in your body, taking deep breaths and really being in touch within yourself as you let go of any tension in your upper body. Now join your palm at the back and lift your arms up as far as you can, as high as you can, without leaning forward, and relax. Inhale as you raise your arms up. Wherever you are is fine. Please accept your body and release as you exhale. We do this 3 times like all the other stretches we've done so far. Ensure your body is not leaning forward again and relax. Now we do the same thing in the front of our body. We join our palms, stretch our arms downwards. Release. If you are on a chair, please part your legs so that you get the space. Stretch your arm forward. We have done this entire set thrice. If you do not have the time, you can just do it once, but please ensure you do it. You do have to follow the breath as you do this, because otherwise it's not going to give you the effect that yoga intends for you to have. Definitely when you move your arms up in a slow speed with your breath, the effect that you feel overall is completely different, and you will know it only after you practice it. Let's do a namaste at the back, trying to bring our arm slowly from behind and joining it as much as we can. If your hands don't raise up that much, it's alright, keep it low. I raised my right arm up above and back, and the left arm from below and back, interlocking my fingers, staying there for a few moments, breathing deeply in and out, feeling that stretch in my arms. My right elbow points at the sky, and now I will reverse this, taking my left arm above and back and right arm below and back. Please ensure this entire set is done very smoothly without any jerky movements, and know that one side is more flexible than the other. Keeping your hands closed at the sides while inhaling, lift your shoulders as high up as you can towards your ears. Exhaling, relax your shoulders. Repeat this twice. Place your hands on your hips and keep your head and body erect. Inhaling, take both your shoulders back, keeping your body still. Exhaling, relax your shoulders. Repeat twice. Do shoulder rotations as you move your shoulders up,
back and forward, inhaling as you take it back and exhaling as you bring your shoulders down. Place your fingers on your shoulder and get your elbows to meet as you inhale all the way up, pointing your elbow towards the ceiling, taking it all the way back and bringing it down as you exhale, repeating again from the starting point of your elbows meeting. This is such a beautiful stretch. You can feel your shoulder blades meet, your body opens up, and with the deep breath that you take, it really works on the insides. You will repeat this in an anti-clockwise motion twice. Clasp your hands, placing them behind your head and elbows in the front. Inhaling, push your head back against your palms as the palms try to push the head ahead. Hold for 5 seconds and relax the pressure. Repeat twice. Place your palm at your right temple and inhaling, push your head into the palm and palm resisting the push. Exhaling, relax the push. Repeat on the opposite side. Repeat on both sides. Place your palms against your forehead and inhaling, push your head into the palms as the palms push it back. Exhaling, relax the push. Repeat twice. Place either one of your palms against your chin and inhaling, push the chin against the palm as the palm resists the push. Exhaling, relax the push. Repeat twice. Place your chin in the palms and inhaling, push the chin into the palms as the palm resists the push and press upwards. Exhaling, relax the push. Repeat twice. From a steady position, simply push your chin out as you inhale. Exhaling, relax your chin. Repeat this twice. Place your fingertips of both your hands in front of the chest as you inhale. Try to press against your fingertips against each other forcefully. Hold for 5 seconds and exhaling, relax the pressure. Repeat twice. Press your palms in Namaskar a little away from your chest. Inhaling, exert pressure and exhaling, release the pressure. Keep your shoulders relaxed during this practice. In the same Namaskar position, pressing your palms, keep your body motionless and move your hands to the right. Return to the center. Repeat on the left side. Inhaling, raise your pressed palms together above your head. Keep your abdomen tucked in. Exhaling, return to the starting position. Relax the pressure and bring your hands down. Palms together, raised right in front of your shoulder level. Try to join your forearms and in this position, bend your elbows to raise the palms, fingers pointing at the ceiling. Straighten your hands. Repeat this movement for 3 to 4 times. Stretch your hands at shoulder level, clench your fist gently and do rotations with your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise, keeping your arms straight. Repeat twice. Please breathe normally all throughout, keeping your breath steady and smooth along with the movement of your arms and your body. Keep your palm in front of your chest like so and very mildly massage that twisted palm right till the tip of your fingers all the way to your wrist. Once doing this with your left palm and then repeating the same movement with your right, gently twisting your palm and massaging it all throughout very gently.
The purpose of this video would be served if you guys do this on an everyday basis and let me know how you feel. Your health and your body is in your hands, so it's up to us to really take up the onus and do things, very simple things, some of them, to keep ourselves fit. I really think that wellness is a very essential part of your everyday, and you cannot just be outwardly beautiful wearing all the lipsticks. You've really got to feel it inside and be happy within you. I have been creating tons of videos where I'm explaining the benefits of yoga, busting myths of yoga, how you can get better sleep. I'm constantly attempting at bringing to you guys ways and means of really feeling beautiful inside out. It doesn't matter what anybody else feels about you. How you feel about yourself is most important. If you like this video and it has helped you, please let me know. Hit on the like button and subscribe and share this video actually with your friends so that they can get the benefit too and they can do these stretches and live a great healthy life. Thank you so much. See you.